Hi everybody! Today I'll share with you our favorite smelly potato recipe. They look so fun! They are so crispy and delicious. So let's get started. Hi everybody! Say hi everybody, Ellie! Welcome to a new episode of Ellie and Lana in the kitchen. Today we are going to continue our journey with waffles and mochi. We're trying to earn the potato badge. Here's the starting ingredients. Potato, 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 and ingredient. Ow! What? You think we should dust them up, guys? Let's do it. Okay, so here's our contestants, Miss Potato and another Miss Potato.
I think this winner for this round is Miss Potato wearing the hat. And Miss Ellie, what is that? Is that a banana?
Banana.
Huh?
What? Can you eat it? No.
Banana, get funny. Banana, get for me. To make the smelly potatoes, you'll need a quarter cup of blood clumps, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Boil the potatoes and peel them. Grate the potatoes. Add all the ingredients to 2 cups of grated potatoes. Mix well. Roll the potato to about a 1/4 inch thick. Then cut up some circles. I used a 2 1/4 inch cookie cutter. Use a straw to make the eyes. And a spoon for the mouth. They look so cute. Keep rolling the remaining potato to make more smileys. Here, Ellie, give it a try.
Why are you so sad?
Cookie Mom!
Ellie, why is this? Why are you so sad?
Heat the oil to about 350 degrees and fry them. Take them out when they are golden brown. Ta-da! Here's the fun result. Let's taste them. It's so good. Show it to them. It's supposed to have a sad face. Look, Mommy.
Lana, show me yours.
I eat it and then. I wish I could smell that. Well done. It looks like a crab.
It looks like a crab.
Looks like a dog. This is the tail of it, the head, feet.
Show me.
Now watch its feet.
Okay, Lena. There you go.
Potato, potato.
Good job.
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.